Hey guys, it's Kara from iStampin.com. Thanks for joining me today. Guys, today I have got super simple, get her done, quick cards. I am heading to On Stage tomorrow, so I needed to do some happy birthday cards today, and so I am going to show you how you can make these super simple but beautiful birthday cards using our new Whisper White narrow note cards and envelopes. You can find this in our Occasions catalog. It's on page 19. It's kind of hidden, a little easy to overlook. What? Okay, so that was Pippa who interrupted, and if you don't feed her, oh my gosh, she will not shut up, so I had to go feed her really quick. Anyway, so what I was saying is I'm heading to On Stage tomorrow, and I needed to get some birthday cards done really quickly, and so you can make these if you do all the prep work before. You can make these you can make 20 note cards. That's how many comes into a pack, and you can get these done in probably 10 minutes. So I'm going to show you how I did this. This is using the Cake Soirée stamp set along with the Sweet Soirée Specialty Designer Series paper. Now that's a collection that is in the Occasions catalog. So these are the stamps. This is the stamp set. So I'm just going to be using just a couple of the stamps, but this is the beautiful designer series paper. So it is specialty. It has some beautiful silver foil. So these three have the foil. This one is just a regular note card. But if you can notice, I actually stamped on some pattern paper. So that's a really fun technique that you need to have a really subtle light background to do that stamping so it doesn't overpower your stamp. But I'm going to show you how I did that, and let's get started. All right, so again, here is the stamp set that you will be using. It's Cake Soirée. This is a collection in our Occasions catalog. There is a matching framelit set, so if you wanted to get the bundle with the framelits and the stamp set, you can save 10%. I've already done a majority of the prep work. So here is what the note cards look like. So it's narrow. So when it's folded, it is 2.5 by 4.5. So what I've done is I've just cut a piece of the Sweet Soirée Specialty Designer Series paper just 1/4 inch smaller, so 2.25 by 4.25. And you can see this is the other side. So we're going to just go ahead and layer that onto the card. And because I'm heading out, guys, I had, if you watched my Facebook Live last week, I said that I may be able to do one this week. It just doesn't look like it's going to happen. I was going to shoot for today, which is Thursday. What is today? The 5th, and I'm just not going to have time. So we'll just do iStampin Live next week, and so I will do the winner of last week's giveaway next week. Okay, so I've already gotten that on there. And then this is the paper that I'm using to do the stamping. Pippa, I'm making a video, so you can't meow, okay? You're interrupting. What? Little Miss Pippa got into a kitty fight yesterday and had to go to the vet, so I don't know if that's why she's meowing. She's needy. All right, I think she's quiet. All right, so this is the designer series paper that I'm using. I'm going to be stamping in Berry Burst. Now, one of these I did in Old Olive. So you can see that the Old Olive looks just as nice. So I'm going to stamp this. I'm doing Happy Birthday. And I'm going to be die cutting this out, and I've done it a little crooked, but you know what, with this background, it's okay. I'm going to be die cutting this out using our stitched circles. I'm going to use the smallest circle, and while you are die cutting that out on your Big Shot, go ahead and get a piece of Berry Burst cardstock. I've already die cut this out, but you're going to use the coordinating scallop circle, so you can do both of those at the same time. So once you die cut it out, that's what it's going to look like. And then also you're going to need to get out a piece of Dazzling Diamonds glimmer paper and your 1.5 inch circle punch. And I'm just going to punch out a circle and we're going to layer that together. What I like to do with simple cards like this, I like to do a lot of layering. It's a really easy technique, but it, you know, kind of gives it a wow factor. It takes a, you know, a simple card and just gives it just a little bit more added detail that I like to include. Okay, so I'm just going to put this here. And I like to burnish the backing tape, just makes it a little bit easier to get that paper off. And speaking of occasions catalogs, guys, I still have quite a bit left here. I was kind of going through my supplies, cleaning out my celebration items since that ended over the weekend. But I still have quite a few occasion catalogs. So if anybody is needing one, you know, you've lost one, you'd like a second copy or whatever, reach out to me and I will get one to you. Because you know, I'd rather y'all have them than just me having them here in my office just laying around doing nothing. Okay, here we go. Here's the dimensionals. Okay, so I'm going to put 3 on the back of here. And then we will layer this onto the scallop circle that I die cut out using Berry Burst. And I love how the sentiment stamped on that designer series paper. It's just so fun. It gives it just a fun little added detail. All right, and then I'll just use a little bit of snail on the back of the Berry Burst. And that's just going to go right there in the middle of the card. Is that even? Yeah, it looks like that's even. And that's it. I mean, look how easy that would be if you had all 20 panels already die cut or cut out. You've already done your die cutting, you know, do all of your prep work to get it into production line style. So do all of your die cutting, all of your punching, all of your stamping, and then just putting these things together and you will have 20 happy birthday cards ready to go. And then let me show you what I did with the envelope. I kind of did the same thing that I did the other day with one of the stamps. So I just got one of the little outline floral stamps, again using Berry Burst. And I'm just going to stamp a little cluster of flowers just right here in the left corner. And just gives your envelope just a nice little detail that kind of finishes it off. And so there you go. So look how sweet. So let me bring the other ones in so you can see. And this is a really nice size. You know, sometimes you don't want, you know, you don't have a whole lot to say when it comes to writing a birthday greeting, and these are just like the perfect size. All right, guys, well, I hope you liked today's project. I'm so excited to head to On Stage tomorrow. I will share as much as I can, so please check my my blog, even my Instagram. All that information is linked below in the description box, and you can follow me with my little as much as I can share with y'all with On Stage. We're going to go see the new annual catalog, so I'm excited about that. But again, that was using the Cake Soirée stamp set along with the coordinating designer series paper, the Sweet Soirée. So please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed the project. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I have an April hostess code, so when you shop in my online store, you'll receive a free gift. And when you shop in my online store, you will also get the free April class, which is called True Gentleman, using the True Gentleman suite from the Occasions catalog, which is just the perfect timing with Father's Day coming up here in the next couple of months. All right, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.